This week's plant of the week is Dwarf Baptisia or Baptisia minor. You're probably familiar with some of the taller growing Baptisias or false indigos. This is a dwarf one that's native to the Nebraska prairie. It's a beautiful Baptisia. It comes up almost looking like asparagus in the spring. A lot of people confuse it with asparagus here in the nursery, but it's actually just a lovely perennial, one of the first ones to bloom. Unfortunately, the plant is somewhat hard to find. We're growing a lot of our own from seed. We seed them a year ahead so that they're ready the next year, because it takes about 2 years to be retail ready. And we offer them in a 1-gallon plant, and they should bloom another year after that. So they're about a 2 to 3 year before you start seeing the blooms. But lovely blooms. In the fall, it gets large black seed pods on it. They dismember from the base in the fall, so it's almost like a tumbleweed. You don't have to prune it in the spring. It just detaches from the base and rolls away with the wind. So a beautiful perennial that's native to Nebraska. Now let's head over to Gannon for the weather.